Hi guys, my name's Flo. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some unboxing. So I currently subscribe to 2 items. One of them is more like comic-y, more movie, TV style. And the other one that I currently subscribe to is more makeup, cosmetic, beauty, stuff like that. So the first item that I'm going to show you is from Nerdblock. I get the Nerdblock Classic, I believe this one is. I know they have like the sci-fi block, the horror block, the Kids Junior. There's a pink one for the girl, blue for the boy. There's comic. There's a bunch of them. So yeah, you should go to www.nerdblock.com and they'll give you steps on which you can subscribe, and it's highly worth it. So I recommend that you go to the website. I'll link it down in the description below and you guys can check it out. So the Nerdblock, the one that I get, looks like this. If you notice that I've been breathing very heavy, it's because I'm just getting rid of my cold and it's not letting me breathe the right way, so sorry about that. So this is the box that I get. I've already cut it to make it easier for this video so I don't have to have a knife near me. So yeah, let's open it up. There's some good stuff in here. If you can see, some good stuff there. So there, guys. My laptop is getting fixed at the moment, so I have no editing software, so this is just gonna be pure video, no editing, no nothing. So I hope you still like it. So the first thing I'm going to pull out looks like a Family Guy koozie, and it looks like this. And the next thing I'm going to pull out is an ice cube tray. I have the Star Wars edition one of the Star Wars, and this one is Archer themed. I will be using that indefinitely. And then each box comes with a t-shirt. I'm not sure if you can see this. It says Tacky on it, and it's Weird Al. This theme is Weird Al theme, so yeah, this is the t-shirt. Can't wait to wear this tomorrow. The next item I have is a Weird Al action figure collectible, and this is from the series 4, and it's Weird Al, the season 19 episode 11 of The Simpsons, and looks like you can get like different characters on the box. You get Marge Simpson, Tom Jones, Homer Simpson, Automan, Elvis Costello, Steven Tyler, Joe Perry, Tom Hamilton, Brad Whitford, Jared Kramer, and these are all members of the band Aerosmith, and Buzz Aldrin. Oh yeah, I'm going to be adding this to my collectibles that I have. My laundry is currently going right now, so if you hear that, it's my laundry. And then it comes with this book, Weird Al the book. Can't wait to. This is cool. It has like cool pictures in it, if you can see.